All of the work that the ETI does feeds into our modelling approach, and that's allowed us to demonstrate with confidence that the UK can achieve an affordable transition over the next 35 years to meet the government's greenhouse gas emissions targets. Clockwork and patchwork represent just two possible pathways. They each have their own challenges and they each adopt different solutions towards meeting our energy demand for 2050. But the UK must focus now on developing and improving capability across a basket of the most attractive supply and demand technologies. It's critical that these options are developed over the next 10 years, effectively the lifetime of the next two parliaments, to prepare the UK for the long-term transition ahead. Within any transition, biomass and carbon capture and storage form an important combination. The most cost-effective system designs that we see across our thousands of model runs always take advantage of this negative emissions capability. If either of those technologies don't feature in the system, it would at least double the cost of meeting the UK's climate change targets by 2050. Another way to look at it is that the value of bioenergy and carbon capture and storage to the UK energy system is well in excess of £200 billion. If people only take away one thing from the scenario's work, it should be that 10 years from now, the UK is going to have to make some critical choices in terms of the energy infrastructure that we put in place to ensure the long-term transition to a low-carbon energy system. Closing down our options too soon could prove unnecessarily costly, but the bigger threat is failing to build up those options at all.